In modern industrial manufacturing, efficiency and precision are the key factors determining production competitiveness. LS-CMU Laser. The all-new LS6522T6kW fully automatic loading and unloading laser cutting machine for pipes. Redefining interlinked-cutting with outstanding performance. The equipment bed adopts a welded structure of thick-walled steel pipes, which is sturdy and stable. After welding, annealing and secondary vibration aging treatments are carried out to completely eliminate internal stress. Further precision machining ensures that the equipment remains stable for 10 to 20 years. It supports automatic feeding of 20 to 245 mm square and round tubes, equipped with a 3-ton large-capacity storage area and a fully automatic loading and unloading system. Continuous automatic loading, unloading, and cutting can be achieved without the need for manual supervision, truly achieving in-mind production. Double-check design+fast follow-up support, allowing seamless connection between loading and unloading and cutting. Efficiency is no longer a bottleneck. Whether it's round pipes, square pipes, rectangular pipes, or various types of steel, 245 mm through-hole chuck, supporting stepless clamping, 22.2 for 5 diameter profile. One machine can handle it. Cutting speed reaches 120 R per minute. 6-meter long pipe with hole accuracy up to plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Accurate, never so easy. LS6522T6kW, integrating high-end design, stable structure, and advanced functionality, bringing you a faster, more precise, and lower-cost cutting experience. If you need a precise, durable, and efficient machine, equipment supported by a company with 20 years of laser cutting experience, welcome to visit our website or contact us directly. Let us help you enhance your business development and create an excellent future together.